guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance 393. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today we have a look at the New Balance 393 and we got this in the black colorway. It's a UK size 7.5 and unfortunately there is no conversion on the stickers that we have here. We got this from ASOS, so we only have the ASOS sticker, but once I delve into the sneaker, I'll let you know what the conversions are. Let's have a look. And here it is. Real classic. One of those early silhouettes of New Balances. I saw a lot of people wear these like around the mid-2000s, just before the hype of New Balance caught on again. But yeah, these were one of those ones that I used to work in a sneaker shop. We used to sell these all the time by the dozen. Let me get into the conversions actually whilst I've got you. So we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's a European 41.5, and it's US size 8. And we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You have the vintage runner New Balance treads. You can find it a lot on their 373 lines as well. And we've got the New Balance logo in the middle and the NB at the heel. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is an EVA, easy, lightweight, it's there for your comfort and durability. Now we move along to the uppers. So we're looking at the uppers. It's a blend of suedes and synthetic materials. So we'll start with this toe box area. So you can see the mud guard, it's the suede overlays, and just underneath it you got the mesh. Obviously there for your perforation, it's there for your breathability for your feet. Now the majority of the sneaker, you look at the whole body, it is a suede upper. So you can see it here all around, uptown all around. And you've got the New Balance logo stitched on there. It's in this plastic coating and it's in the color red. Looking at the heel, got a nice suede panel here on the underneath, and just where your heel sits, just where your tendons will be, you can see the New Balance logo on this leather panel there. It's a nice low cut sneaker here, nicely padded. Normal insole, it's just textile materials. The tongue is very nicely padded if you're going to be on your feet all day. Right there, and you got the New Balance 393 with a lot of New Balance just underneath the logo there. If you're looking for an entry point price for a pair of New Balances, I suggest getting a pair of 393s. You've got that New Balance heritage, you've got that look. It's a nice classic vintage runner feel. Great all-rounder sneaker if you need one, and I can't wait to try these on, let you know how I feel about them. Let's show that footage of me try these on. When it comes to the fit guys, I recommend you get your true to size New Balance fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 and these fit perfectly. My toes are where they need to be, the top, and these look really good on. It's like a modern vintage runner feel. I know that's an oxymoron, but that's what they look like to me. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.